Now, we will begin the demonstration of the cloud-native application platform, Cocktail Cloud. In Cocktail Cloud, you can monitor the entire process from application to cluster. First, we will check the application's monitoring function. Select Services from the main menu and click on Application Map. Click Monitoring in the menu at the top right. At the top of the application map, you can see the CPU, memory, and network resource usage. At the bottom, you can see its trends in resource usage. You can also check the resource usage of each server. You just have to select your desired server from the drop-down menu in the top right. When you select a server, the drop-down menu next to it becomes active. Use this menu to change the resource status of the server. You can see them at the server, pod, and container levels. Select Container. You can view resource information for each container on the server. Likewise, you can also check in the server pod units. Pod is the unit of distribution of containers. Multiple containers can be deployed in a single pod. A pod can be cloned and started on multiple instances. Go back to the application map and click on one of the servers. The resource usage is displayed under Server's basic information. Also below it is the information of each instance. There are many types of instances: pods, service, persistent volume claim, deployment, and replica set are units operated in Kubernetes. The Cocktail Cloud displays detailed Kubernetes operation items. On the right side of each instance, you can select and view log, status information, event information, and distribution information. This time, we will take the perspective of the administrator running the entire cluster. Click Cluster in the main menu. You can see the summary of number of deployed applications, number of nodes, resource usage, and deployed application. Click on the cluster for more information. You can check the trend of CPU, memory, network, and disk trends. You can use the Select Nodes menu in the top right-hand corner alternatively to see the overall resource usage as well as the resource usage of each node. The bottom displays the information about each node that makes up the cluster. Click the name of each node on the menu to the right to get more information about the node, application instance information, and so on. Click Applications at the top and you can check the status of each application map. At the bottom is a list of details of application maps in the cluster. Click on Volume to see the status of storage and volume information of the cluster. Click Alarm to see a list of alarms that occur throughout the cluster. Metering is only visible when using public cloud. You can check the costs for each resource. Finally, click Dashboard in the main menu to see a summary of the clusters.